Hello and welcome everyone. In today also we have brought you another tutorial video regarding how you can turn off your shuffle from your Spotify playlist. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, do share this video with your friends and family too. And yeah, let's get started. So make sure you have your Spotify app logged in and it is updated. And yeah, tap on that app. And yeah, as you can see, once your app is open, then you'll just tap on any random playlist. I will tap on that 17 one. So I'll just tap on that song. And as you can see, the shuffle option is given on your below left corner, almost like arrow infinity logo. You will see that logo and you will tap on that, and once it turns to green, that means it's enabled now. Let me change the song. As I showed you on my list, the next song is supposed to be Nonsense, but apparently the song that is playing is Limbo. So yeah, this is how shuffle works. So if you want to remove the shuffle from your playlist, just simply tap on that icon again, and once it turns to white, that means the shuffle is now off. Let me tap on this song called OMG by New Jeans, and then you will again go and change the song. The next song is supposed to play is Rock With You by 17. So you tap on the song, change the song, and as you can see, the next song is Rock With You by 17. So yeah, this is how you can change your Spotify shuffle on your Spotify playlist. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, do make sure to leave comments below so we can make all the video according to your need. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.